Now comes another stage. Ashimosi gapnos enosa. I shall make desolate her vine, her figs. Asher omro, which she said, Esno heimoli, asher nosali ma'avai. These were the gifts which my lovers have given me. Now this marshal is the following. What Esnan is what what is given to the Zona is a gift for her and for her, what she does to it. Now, Geffen and Te'eno is the fig tree, the Te'eno, the vine and the fig tree. These are symbols of tranquility, peace. Each takas gafno, takas te'enosa. We say the final goal is each one sits under a vine in his fig tree. One satiates him, the other makes him rejoice. Serenity, peace, tranquility. They said because of the assimilation, that was the 10 tribes Shomo. Because of the assimilation, because of the fact that that one lived a life similar to the life lived in Tyre and Sidon and To and Sidon and Asher in Bovel and so forth. Because of that, they acquired domestic tranquility. They acquired peace in our time, That was the Esnan, which was given by the lovers. So I destroy that. Hashimosi. I make it desolate. Gapno Usenosa, like in quote, unquote. Gapno, these are the thankful symbols. At the Omro, which she used to say, that's the gift which my lovers have given me. You can see here a very interesting word, that Ohe is a real lover. Ma'ai is the one who does as if he is a lover. That's the Ma'ai, the make-believe lover. They were not real lovers. That's the very sarcastic change of the word. Not in the hour. The some timle ya'ar, that turned it into a, ya is woods, it means that turned into a jungle. I turned it all into a jungle. And the wild beast will devour your Gatnopus Enosa. And the Rambam explains already, and we think of when the Yeshaya always speaks of the wild beasts will cease, and the one with peace which is with each other, that this refers to the nations that used to attack each other in Israel. So here it means the wild beasts will, that land will be a jungle, the wild beasts will devour the Gapnos et Nosa, the last symbols of peace and tranquility.